Hi there kids, I'm Chuck. Welcome to my gravel yard. We're going to be very busy today. We'll be making gravel and delivering it. Let's take a closer look at Chuck. He's a handsome fellow. He is very hard-working. His bed actually lifts and lowers. He fits neatly underneath the gravel grinder. Let's test out our gravel grinding machine and see how it works. Using some light Play-Doh, we're going to fill up our gravel grinder at the top. It works best if you roll a thin layer and then just press it in. Push in the top and roll it all the way to the bottom and then snap it into place. There's a paper mat included for the yard. It's work time, kids. No time to waste. Load me up with gravel. To fill Chuck up, you need to twist at the top, and the gravel will fall right at the bottom. Now lift the truck bed to unload your cargo. Here's a closer look at the gravel that's being produced by the gravel yard machine. You really need Chuck to carry it and transport it. Lots of fun awaits you at the gravel yard with Chuck. This time we're opening a Play-Doh construction site. It's Play-Doh digging rigs. We have a grinding gravel yard. Chuck, the dump truck, is included in this collection. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back of our box. You can grind Play-Doh gravel, load up Chuck, the dump truck, dump and build. You can also use the Play-Doh included to make fun gravel. Here is the main star of the yard, Chuck. He's happy and ready to load and unload gravel. Let's open up our package and see what we have inside. The collection includes 2 cans of Play-Doh, a brown and a black can. Here is the top part of the mill, or the body of the mill. Let's assemble all the pieces. You need to figure out how to set up the mill, and it fits right in the space. Press to connect. And now you need the top part that actually pushes in the Play-Doh. Roll and twist into place. Let's snap on the bottom portion. At the gravel yard, Chuck is ready to do his job. He's waiting to be loaded with lots of gravel. Well, that's it for us, kids. It's been so much fun! Visit our channel for more videos. youtube.com/wantplay-doh or click on the link provided above. Also, subscribe and like. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye!